Thank you for checking out our Clematis Comtesse de Bouchard. Now I got this at Home Depot, our local Home Depot, several years ago. I mean, you can see it says advertised. Definitely accurate on this information. You can pause it and read it. It's impossible to kill with a frost. And let me tell you what I know about it. So it's a compact woody perennial. It's an evergreen in our part of Southern California. And its leaves, or its flowers I should say, are very leathery and textured kind of in their foliage. They're actually very, very soft and delicate, but their leaves are stunning. It's kind of the best part about this plant in my opinion, and we get to enjoy them in the early parts of summer in Southern California. Now they do have those beautiful yellow centers, and the flowers will be kind of more purple, I would say, for the first day, and then they kind of turn pink right away. And those yellow centers again are just my favorite part. I'll zoom in there for you. Now I love these flowers. I love this time of year. It's in May, so typically bloom for us from May to about July. Once it hits August, it kind of disappears in our snail vine. Now it is used as a ground cover, a climber. You could have it on a fence or trellis or an arbor, and it will grow about 8 to 12 feet tall or long. Now it's hardy in zones 4 to 9. You saw it can tolerate a 30-degree frost, and the leaves are very, very, very beautiful too. Also, the flowers that are being created, I guess, they're kind of like, they look hairy. So the flower buds, and you can see it's quite profuse. I'll pan out in a second, but before I do, I also wanted to share that the best secret about this plant is to know that you want to keep its heads in the sun and its feet in the shade. It really likes water and mulch, so make sure that you give it well-draining soil and lots of nutrients, or I like to use a lot of mulch. And you can grow this in a container, not a problem. Just make sure you have fertile, well-draining soil. Now I never did observe any pests with our plant so far. I mean, it seems to be really, really happy, and I just love these leaves. You can see there's ants on them. It doesn't do anything, and maybe a small hole in the leaves, but this thing does fine. I don't treat anything, I don't do anything with it except for make sure I mulch it and give it a bit of organic fertilizer. Now it is wrapped up within this really big snail vine, so you can't really see how long it is because the snail vine just kind of dominates in this part of our yard, as you can see. So it is definitely the heads, as I said, the heads are in the sun, and its feet are in the shade. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe, and we have plenty more beautiful plants coming your way. I definitely suggest giving this vine a chance if you like its beautiful flowers. I mean, look at that. How could you not like them? Dude, it's creepy.